In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace a range hood filter, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video, that does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and you noticed that your range hood is not filtering like before, or you were looking at your stove and glanced at the filter and said it's seen better days. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The first thing that we're gonna locate is the screw that holds the filter in place. You're gonna notice that it's accompanied by a tab, which both as a team and their holding power hold the fort down. Now that we found our enemy's weak point, we're ready to unscrew the screw. And remember, the ancient rule passed down generation to generation, lefty loosey, righty tighty. In this particular range hood, the screw is a Phillips screw. In your case, it could be a flathead screw. No matter which, the technique is the same. Once we loosen the screw or completely remove it, we're gonna go ahead and turn the tab to one side. This is gonna provide us access and space to remove the filter. In some cases, you might need to hold the filter meanwhile you turn the tab so it won't go from a replacement to having filter dust or grease all over your stove, and then go from a replacement job to a cleanup job. But don't worry, grasshopper, we know you can do it. They don't call you the best of the best for no reason. If you want to check out our video on how to clean a filter, we'll leave a link on the description. Now that we showed our enemy who sits at the throne, we're ready to reverse engineer our way to victory. You're gonna notice some tabs at the side of the filter housing. We want to align that with the filter, slide it in to the entry space on the back, and make sure that it's lined up correctly so we can turn the tab and place our screw. We turn the tab to the other side, and as our confidence level goes up, we don't forget the ancient rule of lefty loosey, righty tighty. We make sure we align the hole and the screw and the tab all in one, creating the perfect unification of power. And remember, because the tab is plastic, you don't want to over tighten. Just enough for it to not move is good. You've done it. You become a master of the filter society of the universe. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's the link to our latest video.